Greetings traders, today is 7th of January 2021. We are live day trading 7275 market. So we in the position unlikely too high. I'm buying too high, but still looks good. Then we'll enter maybe somewhere at here. This is a quick scalp. Okay, already exit. And about this one, already exit as well, 200. So it's a few second entry. So at the beginning of our recording, so it was a quick one, I think not even 1 minute. So 200 US dollar just easily from Nasdaq. Crude oil, we are waiting. So for we did enter for Nasdaq with this time frame 1 minute scalping using my indicator number 1 under US session scalping. So indicator number 2 is not yet been appeared under time frame 5 minutes. So there's entry, maybe possible entry for mini S&P futures. So there's a buy signal over here, so can take the chance. So the risk, why I have 2 Fibo over here, let's remove it. So how much the risk is to be 6 points. So will the market go for the high? Not sure, but we can check. Maybe we can go for a quick scalp of 3 minutes. I will send the signal first. Okay, the market keep getting higher. We already take profit for micro account over here. Let's take a look on the profit we have, purchase and sell. I think not much, 21 US dollar, because this one is micro Nasdaq. It's a good one. Our account summary, we still only 2% today, so we still have time. Waiting for time frame 5 minutes to appear. Actually, we can still hold the position. Yep, I'm exiting too early. Whoa, now it's going for the high. So crude oil waiting for short, and okay, we have 1 minute more, so let's take a look. Maybe I need to send some signal. We pause for a while. Alright, so for Telegram channel, already sent out the signal, which is to go long at this 37.75, and a quick TP of a 12 ticks, and also TP for 20 ticks have been placed. If you are following my signal, so let's take a look on the chart whether this order will be filled. Already trade for Nasdaq, so no need to trade for GS. So 200 for today should be good enough. So now we are waiting. So other than that, Nasdaq also haven't have much at this moment. This is the signal we had just now. It was a quick TP. It was a good one. This is based on my first indicator, US session scalping. Second indicator is the one we are seeing on the left chart here, which is the we call US scalper 2.0. Alright, so still waiting for it to break to have this fill by stop limit order. For Nasdaq 5 minutes, still haven't yet received any signal. For now, there's still high chance for the market to go higher. So for crude oil, yep, still only one short sell signal. Haven't seen any buy signal even under time frame 5 minutes. Okay, there's a buy signal under time frame 5 minutes to go long. Right, but I prefer to have a short sell. Okay, possible to go long over here on the crude oil February 2021 contract. Okay, there's another signal for mini S&P. Order is not yet been filled so far. Okay, we can see this is the Nasdaq. We did enter just now with a profit of 200, a quick one, a very quick 110 points. So now the market pull back and then waiting for the break through to the higher side. Whether I will have a signal or not, still no signal for Nasdaq. Alright, so for So by the way, the gray color means US session. This is when the US session begin, which where the volume came in. Alright, so this is the first candle at 9:30 or 8:30 Chicago time, 9:30 New York time. I'm always referring to New York time for my reference. Okay, the right hand side is the Nasdaq and the 1 minute scalping time frame. There's a good signal entry just now, but I did exit too quick, so I'm supposed at least wait for the 88, because the entry is 73. I wait until 88, which is about 16 point or 320 US dollar. Even with the time frame 1 minute, you can still achieve a good profit with this indicator. By the way, this is the first indicator, the first version of my indicator. I'm still open it up, the script to be subscribed. And alright, so not yet fill for crude oil, not yet fill for crude oil, still waiting at 50, 51, 50, 30 down here. So for our Nasdaq account, it was a quick scalp, such a waste, because after that the market did spike up, so we can easily get around 30 or 60 US dollar. So it was a good return supposedly, but I'm happy with this 20 because this is a micro account, because we did only use about 1 micro cost. I think margin now is $40 or maybe $100, but still a good one trade. So it was a good return under micro account. But for this top step account, 200, okay, good enough. So I just segregate between the micro Nasdaq and also the mini Nasdaq. I will not mix it, just to make sure that I can track the profit rate. Is much more better that way. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the mini S&P futures 500 to be filled. Okay, could be now. So this is time frame 3 minutes, so let's take a look. There's still none for Nasdaq under 5 minutes as well. There's a possible of breakthrough any moment from now. High still 74.75, about 1 tick away from the TP, which is 75.00. This level, let me drew some lines so you can see it much more better. So this is where the buy stop limit order is supposed to be pending. I'm still waiting. Alright, so have to take a look on the crude oil. There's a buy signal just now. This is the first signal appeared for US session, and this is the first indicator. This is second indicator. Under time frame 7 minutes, I will use the second indicator as my reference. So market seems bearish for this indicator, and for the market seems like there's a pullback, ABC structure. So this level could be a good one to short sell, but I have queued my position at 50.51 down here. Alright, so this is based already. Place the order at 50.51 and target TP at 50.30. Alright, so while waiting, let's wait for mini S&P also have not yet been filled or triggered the order. Okay, Nasdaq none. Okay, there is a reversal pattern over here, but I don't need to be that greedy. So because I already entered and earned around 200, so which good enough for me. So we are now just focused on the mini S&P futures 500. So we can see that the market have a first indicator. My first indicator indicate that to go buy. This one is around 8 a.m. Chicago time. So now is this is 8:30 Chicago time or 9:30 New York time. And then there's a buy signal from the second indicator. This is the first indicator always appeared early, so we can just on and off the either one. So I'm opening to everyone for the first indicator and as well for the second indicator. Trending will be provided by me, so you can understand how to use this indicator, because there's a lot of signal as well, but none not all is a good profit chance signal, but how to use it, it depends on the session, either to London session or US session. Okay, still waiting for the market to break through. Target second is 80, target first is 78.25 about this level. So let's wait. 78.25 down here, about that level. Alright, so we'll pause for a while and resume once the order been filled. Alright guys, resume again. So it seems like the market already filled for mini S&P futures 500, not just fill, and the market did explode. So it was a quick one. We got fill, hit the first TP, hit the second TP. So as you can see from the live Telegram channel, both TP already hit, so it was a good one. And yeah, it was very fast. The first one touched very fast. Order fill, the price maintained at the entry level, then immediately go for the TP. So it was a few seconds entry. I didn't trade because I already profit from Nasdaq. So that's my own discipline. No need to be greedy to take everything. Except now I'm still waiting for the crude oil as well. Okay, so it was a good one, and yep, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And for Nasdaq, we still no, we're still waiting for official. Yep, okay. Also for Nasdaq, there's entry over here. There's an entry over here for Nasdaq under indicator number 1. So indicator number 2 already on, but haven't seen anything. It was a good breakthrough. We spotted it earlier before this break level appeared. So this is why it's quite good to have this indicator, which is this is my second indicator, appeared on this level. So that means before the market create the breakout level. So in this indicator filter out and indicate that there's a breakthrough over here, and then later the market going for the sideways movement, then breakthrough to the higher side. So it was a good TP, and 200 to 2.27% as well, FIBO level, 200% FIBO level as well touching at this moment. Okay, might hit the 2.618%, but should be enough. No need to be greedy. The first TP is around here, second TP at a bit slightly above 1.618%, maybe around 1.78%. Okay, so I think that's all for today. It was a good profit, and we will not trade furthermore. For this account, we have already earned. Maybe you can wait. It should be still valid for this short sell signal. Under CL, there's no buy signal, but still have the short sell signal so far. Could be a bit late later on, so let's wait. Just be patient. So this is ES, but this one is 5 minutes compared to the previous. Just now we are using 3 minutes time frame where we did enter the market. So for Nasdaq is no need to be enter again, but there's a lot of opportunity. We did buy somewhere here, but because we don't have to be greedy, we just take a quick scalp. So we did exit early, far earlier than 1.618% of the FIBO level. And then there is a short sell signal, but the short sell signal not triggered. And then there's a buy signal triggered, then hit the level. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and happy trading. See you tomorrow again. So yesterday there was no trade, so no need to search for any video from yesterday. Thank you. Bye bye. Hit the resistance level. So this one is Q.